mga loves, this is day 2. This looks like New York.
How was it, Matt? How was it?
Hi mga loves, this is day 2 in Japan. So today we're going to DisneySea. This is Michael. Hi Michael. Hi Michael. Hi Michael. Michael.
What your teeth?
Oh, look at the flowers. Yeah. But roses. Look at our Christmas. Kungkung. King. Hi.
Hello. We are here. And hi. There's a lot of people.
Dun, dun, dun.
Far away.
Hi. Train. Alright, we're here now inside the Disney store.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's my outfit for today.
But it's still very expensive. I want it to be
Saan na siya? Keychain? That's a lip balm.
yeah, lip balm.
Okay, I like it.
Hey, let's check it out. The dolls from Disney are 20% off.
Oh my gosh, I like Elsa.
Hello, guys.
I like, oh my gosh, I like Ariel.
Uh-huh.
And this one.
Moana's. Oh my God.
Instead
Isa-isa.
isa bitaw na dito nga 1.5.
Ah, so kini ang figurine. Dili na siya plastic.
This is figurine.
Ah, mabuak.
Nanay!
No, that's not a toy. That's for display yan.
Yeah.
They're everyone na.
Everyone, right?
Yeah.
There is
Oh
Pocahontas.
my gosh, I like
What's inside? You like it? Wala man yung dolls.
yeah, only this one because I can play with them. And smaller ones.
Rainforest Cafe.
It's not real.
Yeah, it's not real.
Touch it. Touch it.
Yeah.
You eat it.
It's not real.
Kung. What you doing? Oh, it's not too much. Oh, the crabs. Lobster. Hey, lobster.
I move it.
Hi. Hi, Audrey Hepburn. Oh, where's Cookie? Wala, puro man cat. Oh, Ted is here. Here's Ted. Hi, Ted. Hello. Hi. Minnie Mouse. We're going to DisneySea. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Let's go. We're entering the gates. Come on. Let's do this. Oh my gosh, look at the line. Look at this line. By the way, mga loves, nakalusot si Kungkung ng 3 years old. So, wala kaming fee. Pamik. Okay. We're going na to take a picture over there. Okay. So, that's the globe. And that's the Philippines right there. The globe. So, what can you say? Come on. Mouse is very jolly. Look at Mickey Mouse. Very entertaining. Ate Kungkung. Mickey Mouse. What's happening? Alright, we're entering the entrance. Oh, it's so Christmassy. It's Christmas na. Oh, very nice. So kids friends and family. And wow. The train is here.
There's more people.
Oh, only small train. Oh, I love this place. So basically, mga loves, this looks like New York. The feeling of being here looks like New York. And so many people around. I like the structures. And it's winter. So cold. It's like you are in New York. Yun lang. So that's the Terror House. And grabe ang line. Look at that, mga loves. Super grabe ang line. Taas kaayo. Oh, hawa. Ay, look at that.
Here, hotel, nice tower.
And this is the hotel. Oh, I love this place.
Hotel night tower.
Looks so real.
Yeah, horror hotel. Yeah, that's why this is a real.
Yeah, that's a real horror movie.
It's not.
Okay, we'll take picture there.
Okay. Oh, there's a volcano.
That is a pretentious volcano.
Oh my God, you're fire.
The fire. That is a pretentious.
Oh.
Okay.
Hi, as I remember, mo ni siya ang raisin nga box sa mga tindahan. Lagi nasago sa macaroni salad. Kungkung!
Konnichiwa. ドアが閉まります。足元気をつけてください。相席のご協力ありがとうございます。それでは出発です。
際はお忘れ物のないよう確かめの上。
And Mr. Incredible is like a congressman. Hi! Hello! Alright! Yeah! You follow, Mrs. Incredible, you follow, come on! Yeah! Come on! Yeah! Good job! One more. Alright, over you! Yay! It's here! Ate Kungkung! Oh my gosh, Goofy! What are you doing?
I'm looking.
Oh. Alright, we're going here.
ワールドプールへようこそ。それでは海底でのスピンをお楽しみください。
I told you. Grabe mga nakalipong one day to, oh my god. That one to ang not. That's the next one, oh my god. Titan's Kingdom. Oh. Oh, very nice. Oh, amazing. Welcome to the city of Agrabah. Looking for Genie. gonna watch Aladdin. Entering the Magic Lamp Theater. Very cold. Here. Oh, Jasmine's Magic Carpet.
Very cool.
Darn, I cannot see you. Oh.
Very cool, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, tayo ulit. Oh my God. I don't like it.
Kaya mo yan. Oh. Ate Kungkung.
Oh my God.
Very scared si Auntie Lisa. Okay, may nailad si Kungkung. Okay. They're going. Be down, Nakbi. Nice. Wow. This is the volcano up close. Oh, there's a roller coaster, I believe. And the volcano. Okay, I'm gonna go inside, mga loves. Let's go. Here inside? Say hi, Casey and Rachel.
Hi, Casey and Rachel. We are here in DisneySea. Look at this.
Ah, so Casey and Rachel went here. It's a volcano. And now it's our turn. BuBuchang's world travels.
And you want to cut right below.
Yeah. Going under the sea. Mga loves. What? Oh, look at that.
Yeah, it's not real, right?
It's real.
マニュアルサーチライト点灯準備完了よろしい先生
Where's Kungkung? Buying some popcorns. Very cold. Let's check out. How was it, Nak? How was it? Huh? Give me some. Come on. Give me, please. Let's taste the popcorn. Caramel popcorn of DisneySea, Japan. Wala Goldilocks.
And line up sa terror house.
Okay, let's go. Hey, this is the closer look or the close-up of going to the haunted Mansion. Kungkung, there's the Hotel High Tower. Are you excited to go to the
Haunted house.
haunted house? Don't cry, huh? Finally, we're going to the haunted house. Finally, we're gonna fall in line. Let's see. Come on. Unfortunately, cannot be na. Kungkung, cannot be na daw. Not meant to be because very scary siguro. Oh, nag-cry siya. Kaya wala siya gipasulod, guys.
Until what time? Ito na,
So sad. We can't get her. We can't go inside. Gonna close na guys. So, sorry. It's not meant to be scared today. Sorry. Oh, so cute though. Guys. Very cute. Ah, Rice Krispies. This is for Rice Krispies. Huh?
I like this.
Looks like that.
I like it.
Wow. Delicious yan. Okay guys, we survived our walk today. Like, siguro mga almost 10 hours walk to DisneySea. Grabe kasakit akong tiil. And I'm very gutom. And hungry. But I'm hungry at the same time. And thirsty, so I'm gonna eat here. Ganda ba Italian restaurant? Italian restaurant. Okay.